Obama. Migrant youths without claims will be sent home. President Barack Obama has told Central American leaders that migrant children flooding into the United States without legitimate legal claims will be sent home. The presidents of Guatemala, Honduras and El Salvador met Mr. Obama at the White House on Friday to discuss the crisis at the United States southern border. More than 50,000 children, many unaccompanied, have been detained at the border since October. Mr. Obama said they must deter more children from attempting the journey. All of us recognize that we have a shared responsibility to address this problem, Mr. Obama told reporters at the White House on Friday, flanked by Guatemalan President Otto Perez Molina, Honduran President Juan Hernandez and El Salvador President Salvador Sanchez Ceren. He praised his Central American counterparts for their ongoing efforts within their own nations to deter children from traveling illegally to the United States, but said more work must be done to combat the significant challenge and alleviate the conditions that move parents to send them on the perilous trip. We have to deter the continuing influx of children putting themselves at great risk, he said. But he said, children who do not have proper claims and families with children who do not have proper claims at some point will be subject to repatriation to their home countries. The Guatemalan president, Otto Perez Molina, told the BBC that he felt frustrated and distressed by the situation. He called for the root of the problem to be addressed. At the heart of this are issues of extreme poverty and a lack of employment opportunities, he said. These are the real reasons for immigration and, as a country, we have to work hard to ensure Guatemalans don't look towards the United States, but rather find decent living conditions in Guatemala, he added. The migrants, mostly from Central America, have been driven north by a spike in gang violence in their home countries, by extreme poverty, and amid incorrect rumors children will be allowed to stay if they make it across the border. Also at issue is a 2008 United States law that grants unaccompanied children from countries that do not border the United States an automatic asylum hearing, thereby preventing their immediate removal from the country. In his remarks, Mr. Obama called on Republicans in Congress to postpone their upcoming August recess until they can approve legislation increasing funding to ease the crisis. Earlier this month, his administration requested $3.7 billion to billion in emergency funds for tighter border security, care for the children, detention and removal programs, and immigration courts. Where the $3.7 billion would go $1.8 billion to provide the appropriate care for unaccompanied children, $1.1 billion on detention and removal programs, $433 million on border patrol and security, $300 million to Central American countries to repatriate and tackle root causes, $64 million on immigration courts, including hiring 40 additional judge teams, but Republican lawmakers said they would not give Mr. Obama a blank check without changes to the United States immigration policy. Conservative politicians have blamed Mr. Obama's immigration policy for the crisis, and some in the Congress have called for the repeal of the 2008 asylum law. Meanwhile, House Republicans are developing an immigration proposal not to exceed $1.5 billion, while Senate Democrats are floating one for $3.6 billion to meet increased immigration and security needs. We need action and less talk, Mr. Obama said of congressional politicians, naming Republican House Speaker John Boehner in particular.